Yo, what's up guys, back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to play Mario Alex G, and this is kind of how it goes. But I'm just doing the intro. So basically, the first part of the song, right, is you want to play muted strings. So basically what a muted string is whenever you cover the string, all the strings slightly, or just a string slightly, and you just want to play it 4 times. Kind of like that. And then once you're done playing those 4 strings, right, what you want to do is you want to have you want to put your middle finger on the second string from the top, and you'll play the 10th fret, right? So right here. You'll have your index finger on the 3rd string from the top, and you'll play the 9th fret, right? So like right here and right here. And then the last note, you're gonna have like your index finger play the 4th string from the top. I mean 4th string from the top, and you wanna have it on the 11th fret. And basically, this is the only shape like you really need for like the down 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 down. So that's basically the only shape you mainly like need, right? So basically how this part goes is you want to play this part 2 times. And then you want to move this shape up, right? This shape. Move this shape up, and you want to move it to the side, right? So up like that, right? So up 2 frets, and then over 1 string, right? And I'll go over the fretting for this part. Basically, from the E string from the top, right, you want to have your middle finger play the 8th fret, right? And then you want to have your ring finger from the 2nd string from the top play the 7th fret. And then you want to have your index finger from the 3rd string from the top play the 9th fret, right? So kind of like this. See? And also another thing you could do is you can kind of like mute the strings that you don't want to like hear. So you only really want to hear like the strings that like the strings that your hands are on, like you're fretting, right? So you can kind of like use your index finger and then just kind of like have it on the side like that, and just mute those strings. See? And also for this part, you can also use your thumb to mute like the top string. So like this. Yeah, like that. And also once you're done with that, you want to play 2 times. So play each of those, chords 2 times, right? And once you're on this chord, you want to move over to, like they're keeping the same shape. You want to move over 1 string, right? And then you want to kind of play it and slide to the original position, to the starting point. So it should kind of sound something like this. Like that, yeah. And once you're done with that, you want to go back to this chord right here. It's basically move up 2 and over 1 string, and then it should kind of sound like this. And that basically just keeps repeating, throughout the song. And then, like, after that, like this part, which is one of my favorites, I really like the sound of this. You want to play the chord like this. And basically how you play that chord, right, is you put your middle finger on the 2nd string from the top on the 7th fret, right? You want to put your index finger, 7th fret right here. You put your index finger on the 5th fret from the 3rd string from the top, so like right here. And then you're gonna put your ring finger on the 4th string from the top on the 7th fret, right? And then you want to put your pinky finger on the 5th fret from the top on the 7th fret. So it should kind of look like this, right? And it might be a little bit hard, but I believe in you. You can do it. And also you can like use your thumb to mute this top string, and you just want to play it like that, and like you could just play it straight like that, or you could like kind of bend it back and forth, kind of like a vibrato. Yeah, I kind of like that way better. And then once you're done with that, right, you want to kind of play like the doom 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 doom. And basically you want to put like your middle finger on the 7th fret from the top string, and then you want to place your index, 7th fret from the top string right here. You place your index finger on the 5th fret from the 2nd string, right, so right here. And then you want to place your ring finger on the 3rd string from the top on the 7th fret. So you should get like something like that. And once you're done with that, you want to slide your index finger up 2 frets to the ninth string. So it should be something like that. And once you're done with that sliding part, then you want to place your middle finger on the 2nd string from the top on the 8th fret, and then you want to move it again over to the 1st string from the top on the 8th fret. So it should sound like this. Ah, man, I forgot one step. I'm sorry, but so forget what I just said, but just like remember this. So once you slide from the index finger, then you want to move back with your, once you slide with your ring finger, then you want to move back with your index finger and play the 7th fret on the from the 3rd string from the top. So it should sound like this. And then the last note you really need for like this little part is you want to place your middle finger on the 1st string from the top on the 8th fret. And that's kind of like that little part kind of done. And then you kind of want to move up to the 3rd fret, right, of the low E string or the top string. And you want to do, and you also want to put your index finger on the second string on the 2nd fret. You want to kind of do something like this. So you want to like play the top 3 strings. So like. Yeah, so like this. And once you play that one time, then you want to do. You want to keep your index finger on the 2nd fret, but you could use your ring finger or your pinky finger to play the 4th string. To play the 4th fret on the 3rd string from the top, and you want to have this top string open. And then it's basically like, and you just repeat it, but you like this time like, yeah, let me just give me an example. Messed up. Yeah, so you just want to repeat that 2 times. And that's kind of how you play Mary by Alex G. And by the way, I am still a beginner, so don't get mad at me for kind of being bad at explaining stuff. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ciao. Tschüss.